first step to getting closer to living life on your terms. I went to Spain, Italy, and Japan this past year because I love traveling to new places. Absolutely loved experiencing the culture, the architecture, the scenery, and tasting all that delicious food. In case you didn't know, I eat a lot for my short 5-foot self. Crazy food bills. And embarrass myself with the accident food stains look a lot. You know what I mean? Now that you know a little about living life on my terms, what about you? Can you imagine what it feels and looks like if you are living life on your terms without worrying about money? This is the first step to getting closer to living life on your terms. Knowing your outcome and why you're taking all this effort and time to learn about investing and side hustling. It will get you over the challenges that will come your way. Do you ever try something, then as soon as the going gets tough, you bail? If you did, it's okay. I did too. You didn't have to deal with the problem, but you also lost the potential reward that you would have gotten if you overcame that problem. When I first started investing and doing my own business, I would learn a lot, take some action, but then when it got bad for my investments or business, I bailed. I was like, nope, I give up. So I lost a lot of money, over $20,000 in the stock market. And in my first year of business, I only sold $20 of products. $20! I wouldn't even try to figure out how to overcome that problem to get the rewards. It was because I didn't have a clear idea of what outcome I wanted and why I was doing this. I didn't know why I should go through all this effort and time to deal with the problems. Then I had a long talk with myself. Yes, I realized I'm crazy. I realized that the reason why I wanted to learn about investing and having my own business is because I wanted to live life on my terms. I wanted to be able to travel, eat delicious food, try new things, meet awesome people, and teach them how to achieve financial success, to live life on their terms. That's when things started turning around. When I would push through the challenges because I knew why I had to. And I began consistently getting average annual returns of over 18% from the stock market in the past 5 years. That's when I started getting clients who would pay me thousands of dollars each month to grow their business. So I want you to take a minute and close your eyes to think about, what does living life on your terms look like? And what does that feel like? Really, truly feel it in your heart. I want you to just pause this video, take a minute, close your eyes, and do this right now. I promise you, it will help you so much to get you to the life that you want to live much faster and much easier. So now that you see it and you feel it, post in the comments below and share, what does living life on your terms look like and feel like? Post it below so that we can see and feel and share your vision of what it looks like to live life on your terms. And when you hear people saying, I wish I had more money, or I'm overworked and I'm underpaid, you'll be confident in knowing that you're different, that you're in control of your financial success by investing and side hustling. I want you to close your eyes and imagine laying in bed at night. And instead of worrying about your money, instead repeat after me. I am in control of my financial success. Repeat after me. I am in control of my financial success. And you'll be able to sleep better and more comfortably when you know what that feels and looks like. So go ahead, take a minute after you say that to now imagine what it looks and feels like to be living life on your terms. Let your imagination go wild. And I want you to do this for the next 5 nights, okay? Give it a try. Do this for the next 5 nights and see if you do get better sleep. And not only that, do you wake up feeling more refreshed because of the fact that you know that each day you are getting closer to living life on your terms, that you're in more control of your financial success. If you like this, share this with someone that you care about so that they can live life on their terms faster and easier. Thank you so much for watching this video. Click subscribe below to stay connected, and here's to living life on your terms. Crazy foot bills. Foot bills? No, food.